Hey friends, I hope everybody is having a great spring break. I know that I am. Today I am coming to you with an unboxing from Didi's Deluxe Bead box. I want to go over what I've got here and show you that I actually got two this time because I never can get enough of Didi beads. So I've got double the pleasure, double the fun. So stick with me while we open up and see what's going on inside of here. Okay, so this month our theme is Under the Sea. Dive into an enchanting underwater adventure where rich ocean blues and shimmering turquoise waters blend with pops of sunny coral yellow, deep magenta, playful hints of aqua, inspired by vibrant reefs and tiny dancing sea creatures. This bold and joyful palette brings a warm, radiant ocean beauty to every creation. I'm so excited. I have had a look, and so I am going to pull out items as they are listed here on the sheet. We have first the Under the Sea inspired Czech designer strand, which is quite lovely. Let's get you a close up here. Isn't that pretty? I'm a lucky girl because I have those. Let me open up my other box so that I can pull it out. Next, I have the 8-inch 6mm smooth sugar light gemstone die. Let us see here. I'm assuming this is what this is. And I think it goes so nicely with these beads on this designer strand. Just that right there is a nice combo. Next, let's do our 6-inch of the 15 by 6mm turquoise blue glass tube beads. Here we go. I got two. Oh my gosh, when you put them together like that, aren't they beautiful? Let me pull out the 8-inch 8x4 smooth Persian blue jade rondelles. Persian blue. Let's see, is this them? 8x4 Persian blue jade rondelles. What a combo. What a combo. Doesn't that look great? Let's do the 10 inches of 6mm under the sea theme Hishi shell disc mix. Okay, so this is a nice long 10 strand. Oh, look what happened on my other one. So apparently the other one, the knot must not have been done tight enough, and so they're in the bottom of my box there. Let's see, there's the rest of them. So let's pull out the 8-inch 10 to 12mm sandy brown electroplated mother of pearls. Yummy. This is literally the perfect color palette. All of these colors are so perfectly blended together. And let's go for our 9-inch 6x15 marigold yellow coral sticks. Well done, Stella. Well done. Look at that. Look at that. Let's pull out our 15-inch natural blue aquamarine irregular gemstone beads. Here we go. See, that's 15 inches there. And I got two. about the other one. All right. And our 15-inch 4mm antique gold crystal rondelles. That's this one. You got your bling going on here. Got two of these. Don't they look lovely together? And then 12 pieces of 8mm opaline cornflower blue with silver edge crystals. Let's see here. There we go. These are loose. Those are so beautiful. So beautiful. Hey, I'm glad I got 2 boxes because those 12 pieces would not have been enough for me. Now I have a nice, that would be a really nice bracelet now. Even if I just did those on the bracelet and added a touch of something else. So let's get our 30 grams of 3x6mm aqua blue luster glass bead mix. There's 2 of these here. I won't pull them all out. Yeah, so these would be very nice in, say, a wrap bracelet, a nice dainty necklace, a double strand, triple strand necklace. These would be cute. I think I just got an idea for them. Okay. And then we have 1 piece of 15mm indigo blue check anchor bead. There. Lucky me, because if I wanted to turn this into earrings, I now have 2. Yay, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy. Those will be cute earrings. Woo woo. And 1 piece of assorted under the sea creature charms. Look at that. So we've got a fish, another fish, seahorse, 2 octopus or octopi, 2 seahorses, 2 turtles, a little baby fish here. So those are cute. And I got another set. Come on. Fish. Another fish. So now I have 2 of those. 2 of these. 2 of these. 4 of these. And 4 of these. And 4 of these. The mother load. The mother load. And last, bonus, under the sea lampwork pillow coin. They're like Lay's. You can't have just one. Nice. So now, if I wanted to, I have another pair of very unique earrings. Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? What a beautiful palette. I am so very happy to have received this in the mail yesterday, and I cannot wait to design with it. Okay, I am going to create a design, and I'll have another video for that. And I have a coupon code if you are interested in getting the box, and I will have that coupon code in the description. And just know that the code is good for your first order. It does no. The coupon code does not apply to the box. That's right. The coupon code does not apply to the box, but it does apply to most of things on the website. And there are some lovely things on the website. This is just a little bit of what you'll find on the Didi Beads website. There is a plethora of beautiful things there. Even if you don't get the box, you can create your own box there with a lot of beautiful things there. And I believe she's now putting extras on there. So if there's something special that you like and it just happens to be there, you can get that and create your own box as well. So with that said, thank you for watching this unboxing. I will create something, create a new video for that and post it. And in the meantime, like, subscribe, join my Facebook group, and also go over there and meet the nice people over there. And make sure to come to see BFF Live. We have a lot of fun on BFF Lives, and a lot of wonderful people are there that you'll get to meet and get to enjoy in our video. So until next time, go and make something beautiful, and I will see you soon.